Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to make some simple beaded earrings. So to make beaded earrings you need your beads or bead, whatever you're using, a head pin and an ear wire. So with your head pin it's a little metal wire that's got a little stopper at the end. So you can start by threading whatever beads you want to use for your earrings onto the head pin. And then we're going to make a wrapped loop with the head pin so that it can attach to the ear wire. So to do this, you need to bend the head pin to one side above the top of the top bead, and then you're going to need some round nose pliers, and you grab the wire at the top and the bottom with your round nose pliers. You bring the wire up and over the top of the top jaw of the pliers all the way down, and then at this point you take the pliers out and reinsert the lower jaw so that you can continue on round with the wire. So you can see now we've got a loop there. We just want to wrap that excess wire now back down towards the beads. So to do this, we take your chain nose pliers, grab the loop and wrap the wire, the excess wire, a few times back down towards the beads. We'll want to now just cut this excess wire off. So with our cutters, go in and snip that excess wire off. And there'll be just a little bit just sticking out here, which we can just tuck in with our chain nose pliers. And then we have our little earring ready to go onto our ear wire with the wrap loop. So with your ear wire, it will have a loop on it like this that we'll just want to open slightly. So with your chain nose pliers, just grab one half of the loop on the ear wire and just pull it slightly towards you to open it up, and then you can slot on your earring like so. Let that hang down, and then we just need to close that loop back up so that there's no gap, and then we've made a little earring now.